अभी बताया था which is the famous thought? Bilawal Mela. Which one you have said that? I say that thought it signifies the scale of the notes. Scale of the notes. आप देखेंगे जैसे अभी हमने बताया there is a 3 ताला, 7 ताला, 5 ताला. I said that हमने बोलना है धा धिन ता तिन ता तिन धा धिन ता तिन ता तिन 3 ताला. It is what I said that. So I said that one it is in a kind of I said that the song उसी के बेसिस पे चलेगा. ता आपने कभी देखा होगा ना ता तिन धा धन ये याद आएगा ऐसे ता ता tin dha din dha din. So I said that this is considered as a tin tala. So when I said that there is a use of a thought signifies the scale of the notes. Sometimes it is in a 5 scale, sometimes 6 scale, sometimes I said that 7 notes are there. So it is in a made up of 7, 5 notes may be made up of 6 notes, may be made up of what? 7 notes. जरूरी नहीं कि all the notes can be utilized. Understood? So I said that thought must have 7 swaras saregama padani. A thought may or may not have arohi or avrohi. Arohi means we have to what is in a move up in the note. It is in a taking in the high tone and sometimes coming to the low tone. So high note and then coming towards I said that low. So I said thought may not have a musical ornamentation. Thought may not. जरूरी नहीं है. It has a musical instrument के साथ भी you can be able to see. So आपने जो ये है it is not necessary that you should have what? Musical instrument. And then thought is placed as a foundation for the notes of the raga. They may be Suddha or may be what? Vikrita. Raga. अब thought is itself a found, it is in a type of what I said that? Raga. जहाँ से music, जब आप गाते हैं तो what happens? So thought gives us, scale gives us raga. Scale gives us, if you'll follow the scale, if you'll follow the thought, what we'll be able to get? Ragas. And then we have seen raga is a melodic structure derived out of. तो पहले तो आप किसको जनरली आपको क्या सीखना होगा? I said that thought, and thought will give us what? Raga scales. You have to understand the scales, and thereafter you have to go for. I said that raga, and then melodic structure derived out of mela or thought. A raga is a series of 5 or. तो रागा में कितने स्केल्स के नोट्स बनेंगे? 5, 6 or 7. And then I said that which are the raga of 5 notes known as Audhav, raga of 6 notes known as Sadav, and then I said that raga of all 7 notes it is in a Sampurna. So which are the raga? Yes, tell me. Yes. So it is very much, it is, and I said that Audhav, Sadav, Sampurna. Audhav, Sadav, and Audhav means how many notes? 5 notes. Sadav means 6 notes, and then Sampurna means 7 notes. Understood it? So we have been able to see the raga is based on what? Mela or thought. Yes or not? It is in a kind of a scale. Before that there is a swaras are there. We should know the saptaks. Yes or not? Along with the saptak we have I said that there is 22 shrutis. Is it clear? And then after knowing the saptaks, practicing on the saptak, we have to practice on the what? Thought. We have to practice on the what? Thought. The different kind of talas. And then I said that that can be of different 3 tala, 4 tala, 5 tala. That is in a kind of what is in a famous tala is what is in a 3 tala. And then I said, जब हम लोग thought पे practice हो जाएंगे, the thought will give us the mela or thought will derive the melodic structure to the song, and it is known as a raga. And then we can be series of 5 or more notes which is a melody based, and over 30 ragas are mentioned in the Bharata's Natya Shastra. How many ragas? How many ragas? और आपने देखा था राग मल्हार आपने सुना था? Yes or no? Which has been originated later on? Yes, राग टोडी. तो ये क्या था? What is this? It is in a kind of thought से लेकर उन्होंने उसको thought को सीखा, thought नया पैदा किया. Who has produced? Who has? Tansen. And then I said that after that there is a what you can be able to produce a new kind of what is a ragas. But you should be very aware of knowing the what is a scales. So I said that it is divided into 3 categories. Which are the 3 categories ragas? Audhav, Shadav and Sampurna. Interestingly enough, many ragas can be derived from one mela or thought, and raga must follow certain principles. certain principles. Which are the principle it has to follow? I said that raga must have some notes. उसके बगैर हो सकता है notes के बगैर सारे गामा something. बचपन में मैंने भी ट्राई किया था एक बार सीखने का, कुछ ही चीजें जहां तक रह गई वहीं रह गई. तो कल्चर के लिए बचपन में आर्ट एंड कल्चर कहाँ रहता है? वहीं से म्यूजिक थोड़ी ना बचपन में पता चलता है कि वो तो जाते हैं तो पहली भी बोलते हैं अच्छा सारे गा में बजाते हैं, फिर उसके बाद बोलते हैं अच्छा ये करो, एंड देन सारे ग रे ग म, पहले रटवा रे ग म प द नी सा नी द प. तो ये कुछ चीजों को प्रैक्टिस करवाते हैं, देयर आफ्टर दे ट्राई टू गो फॉर इट. तो वही चीज समझा हुआ है जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा लगेगा. यस, यू कैन लर्न द म्यूजिक. So there will be audition and there is a necessary that there will be some notes and there is a must, a raga must possess vadi and which vadi? Samvadi. Which are I said that vadi and vadi means I said that when you are making something to higher notes, vadi and then thoda sa usse slight niche aa jaoge, that is known as samvadi. So you should know that scale, hamesha scale mein high notes jata hai. And then when it has gone to the high note, then you should be aware of what is how to make little slower. और इसी पे आप लोग सब लोग क्या करते हैं लोग? So I said that Vadi and then Samvadi. And thereafter you must be knowing Arohi and Arohi. And then good thought should be there. I said that must have the pakad. And then Raga must have a specific time when it has to be performed. It should be performed in the morning, it should be performed in the dawn, it should be performed in the afternoon, it should be performed in the night, or it should be performed after the midnight. Different what is that? A specific time for the ragas. And then a raga must have its clear identification and what is na jati. और जाति में बताया था अभी I said that it is na जाति में श्रुति के साथ मिलाकर इंस्ट्रूमेंट के साथ जाति, जिसमें आरोही एंड अवरोही का बहुत अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन हो चाहिए along with the instruments and swaras and shruti. Swaras, shruti, swaras and shruti. Shruti gives through our what is in a mouth it comes out, yeah, through the instrument it comes out. Mouth, it is coming through the instrument. Mouth can be the 7 swaras. Shruti has been given by whom? Instruments. Understood it? We cannot be able to. So I said that there is 22 shrutis are there, and then so what are the important parts? I said that there should be for the best raga. It should have first some notes, vadi, samvadi. Vadi means what is the meaning of vadi? High notes, and samvadi means some little less than the higher notes, and then arohi and avrohi, and then I said that pakad, arohi, avrohi, pakad, and then a specific time for each. Clear identification of jati. So we are going to see that according to the orthodox theory given by I said that Bharata Muni, and there are 6 basic ragas are there, and then being Ragini. The raga's wife is known as Ragini. Yes or not? And the raga's son is known as Ragaputra. Understood? So there it is several raga has been produced. From the one raga, other ragas are originating, that is known as a Ragaputra, and there is also some kind of, I said that their wife is also trying to do something in the high level, it is known as what? Ragini. So there is what raga को ही हमने किस form में देखा? Subdivision form में. Raga means Ragini, raga also it has been divided into Ragaputra. And then we have seen like I said that which raga? Bhairav raga. Bhairav raga. And Bhairav raga just before the morning. That is during the, I said that, dawn. It is performed during the, and after that you have to perform just in the morning. And morning का मतलब क्या होता है? When sun comes till the afternoon. Sun comes until the afternoon, it is known as, yes, tell me. It is known as what? Afternoon. Till, I said that morning. Morning it is till afternoon. And then उस समय जो गाया जाएगा वो क्या है? मेघ रागा. Which raga I said that? First raga I said, tell me. Bhairav raga. Yes. And then Megh raga. And thereafter I said that Dipaka and Sri raga. Afternoon में क्या होगा? Deepika and yes, Sri Raga, and then in the night there is a Kaushika and Hindola, and then midnight there is a Malluka. Which I said that in the midnight after that there is a what? Malluka. So which are the raga? I said that Bhairav. Which are the raga? Bhairav. And then Bhairav ने क्या किया? Yes, tell me. I said that Bhairav ने जब राग दिया तो मेघ आ गया, मेघ raga. After that I said that मेघ raga in the morning, and then I said Deepika Padukone and Sriman आ गए. कौन आ गए? अब ये लोग बाहर आ गए सब. कौन से राग के बाद आए बाहर? अरे जब मेघ बारिश होगी तो these people will come out. Understood? I said that which raga? I said that Bhairav raga, and then I said that Megha raga. Till morning Megha raga, and thereafter afternoon there is a which Deepika Padukone, and then Sri raga. And रात में कस कर पकड़ लेना और हिलने डोलना, and then it is known as. I said that night में which raga? I said that Kausika and Hindola, and रात में midnight में Mallika Srevat, which one? Malluka. So which are the ragas we have seen? Tell me. First Bhairav, Megh raga, and Megh के बाद who can? Deepika Padukone and Sri raga, and then night it is in a Kausika and Hindola, and then midnight it is Malluka. Which one you have seen? Malluka. And what is the meaning of Vadi? Tell me. Which is strongly emphasized, referred as Vadi. Another note which is strong but only slightly low and less, it is known as Samvadi. Understood? Varna. And then Varna, if you have to see, what is the Varna? One Varna you will see that is Sthai Varna. When a note is repeated and does not go ahead to Tar or Mandra Saptaka. When a note is repeated and does not go ahead to Tar. Tar क्या है? Yes, tell me. High octave. Tar Saptak is what? High octave. And then I said that what is a Mandra Saptaka? Mandra Saptaka is, just tell me, lower octave. मतलब जब अस्थाई, when there is an अस्थाई varna, when it is not going too ahead to tar or mandra, means a very low note. A very low note. It is considered as a which note? Asthai varna. It is known as what? And Arohi. And Arohi starts from Sa, and then ascends up to a tar or become a part of Arohi varna. So it is in a Sa se start hota hai, and you try to go to the higher notes, higher octave. It is known as a tar. तो आपको सा से स्टार्ट करके कहाँ जाना है? तार सप्तक. तार सप्तक means higher octave, and then arohi, it's starting from the knee and then coming down to what is a lower octave, and it is known as a what is a nave. And then when the notes taken from the knee and back to sa in the descending order, it is known as what? Lower octave. Understood? So which are the varna we have seen? Asthai varna, arohi varna, and then avrohi varna. And then sanchari varna, when the notes are taken both in ascending and as well as descending, arohi and avrohi, it is known as what? Sanchari. So which are the four varnas we have seen? Yes, tell me. Asthai varna, arohi, avrohi, and then sanchari varna. Understood? And which are the types of saptak we have seen? Yes? Which are the type of saptak? Mandra, madhya, tar. Mandra, madhya, tar. Understood? Tar saptak. Mandra, it is in a lower octave. Thereafter I said that middle octave. Tar, it is what? Higher octave. Understood? Now we are going to see laya. And when there is a laya, if I am talking about, laya means speed. लय, कभी नाम सुनते होंगे ना, लय आपका कैसा है, तो बस आप लोग सोचते हो लय. लय मीन्स स्पीड. एंड विच आर द स्पीड? आई सेड दैट विलाम्बित, मध्य, द्रुत. विलाम्बित, मध्य, द्रुत. दीज आर द थ्री लयस आर देयर. विच आर द थ्री लयस? विलाम्बित, मध्य, and then which? Drut. If vilambit it is in a slow, if you make it 2 times faster, that become what? Madhya. And if you are making 2 times more faster, it will become Drut. So which are we have seen? Yes, laya में speed है. आपको जब सारेगा, that is suppose सारेगा, and इसका 2 times में आ जाएंगे तो सारेगा, and then more faster, that is in a kind of what? Drut. So laya, I said that vilambit, madhya and drut. If the drut, you know that it is in a fast, and if the antara is stretched too far, then it is, jab antara it is stretched too far, then it is said to be ati vilambit. Antara kya hota hai? Antara, the first two lines are known as, I said that, first two lines are known as antara, thereafter there is an, I said that, sorry, mukhra, and then after that it is known as antara. First two lines are mukhra, and thereafter it is coming of what? Antara. Understood? And then antara, and if the antara has been, I said that, सुना होगा ना कभी बोलते हैं, और मुखड़ा कई बार रिपीट किया जाता है. मुखड़ा is to be what is after every stanza. इसमें stanzas में divided होता है. Yes? And antara is not repeated. Who is repeated? Mukhda. Which one is repeated? So if the antara is stretched too far, then it is said to be ati vilambit, and medium, and ati drut too fast. So this is the way आप अंतरा को कभी लोग खींचते भी हैं and sometimes fast भी करते हैं. So just have an idea about it. The best way to ascertain the laya. कैसे आप समझ सकते हैं कि what is the laya? Vilambit, double the speed, it will become madhya. Double of madhya, it will become drut laya. Understood? And which are the varna? Sthai varna, just below the lower octave, very flat. Thereafter I said arohi, avrohi, and avrohi together it is known as sanchari varna. And आप लोगों ने मुखड़ा and then antara. And mukhra, the first paragraph, the song, which is initiate the listener into the song, and it introduces the songs and sets the tone. And then the second paragraph which started after that, it is known as what? And then murchana. Murchana, chromatic scale of 12 notes. Name given to the chromatic scale of 12 notes. Murchana can be defined. यदि ये नहीं समझेंगे तो म्यूजिक नहीं समझ पाएंगे. I said that. And the murchana can be defined as in a sequence of 7 notes in the arohi and then 7 notes in the form of arohi. Murchana. So murchana can be defined as a sequence. आपको sequence बनाना होगा, chromatic scale बनानी होगी. And when you are making a beautiful looking like, it's not about arohi and avrohi, but you are making some chromatic scale, beautiful singing, and then it is known as a murchana. Murchana is derived from the 7 notes. I said that जो आप लोगों ने नाम सुना होगा, when we are if all the 7 notes are used, then it is called as sampurna. When the 6 notes are used, sadav, hextonic, and then when the 5 notes are, it is in a adav, and that is in a heptonic or pentatonic. And then I said that sadharan, और सबसे छोटा होता है 5 notes में, it is in a sadharan. So we have been able to see the murchana, and murchana, it is what it is in a. It is in all the arohi and avrohi, but it is in a best chromatic form. Best chromatic form. Shruti, and you have heard about Shruti. The word Shruti means the sound which can be heard by the ear deals with the interval between the notes. Notes के बीच में ये words आते हैं. And then when the talking of Shruti, we must determine the tonic first, and the tonic is commonly understood as a sa. Thus the relationship between the first sa and the fourth ma, and then first sa and the fourth pa. Sometimes आपको ये सारी कहने पड़ते हैं sa and the pa and then sa and the ma, and then always determine the first note is sa and the tonic, और उसके बाद sa के बाद sa से originated tones comes. And who gives these tones? Microtones? Instruments. Who gets? Sometimes you are going to say something. I said that sa, and then there is a pa and da and then ni. Then there will be what is in a some after the dha related. There will be what? Microtones. And it is so subtle that I said that standard interval is accepted as 22 Shruti. It is not possible to sing 22 intervals of Shruti. It is not in a musical scale. It is in a better demonstrated in instrumental rather than vocal. And then it is so subtle that without its application, no raga can be sung or played. Ragas cannot exist without Shruti. And then Indian music does not rely on the notes alone. Hence, Shruti plays an important role in bringing out the essence of raga.